In the workplace, being competent is often seen as the key to success. But is it truly enough? Let's explore why competence alone might not secure your place at the top. In the realm of workplace psychology, competence is undoubtedly important, but it doesn't operate in isolation. Employers tend to value a blend of skills that often extend beyond mere technical ability. Emotional intelligence, communication skills, and the ability to work well in a team are also crucial. This holistic view means that while competence is necessary, it is not always sufficient to thrive. One of the key reasons competence may fall short is due to the importance of perception. How others perceive your abilities often impacts career progression more than competence itself. Networking, building relationships, and showcasing your skills are essential to being recognized. Moreover, the ability to adapt and learn can sometimes outweigh existing knowledge and skills. Consider the case of Jane, a highly skilled software developer. Jane consistently delivers high-quality code and solves complex problems efficiently. However, despite her technical brilliance, she struggles to move up the career ladder. Her colleagues are often promoted faster, even some with less technical expertise. The issue lies not in her competence, but in her limited engagement with her peers. Jane rarely participates in team discussions and seldom shares her achievements. Jane's manager finds it challenging to see her as a leader due to her reserved nature. Her reluctance to communicate her ideas limits her visibility within the company. Meanwhile, her peer, Mark, takes the time to engage with colleagues and present his work. Mark's ability to articulate his contributions makes him considered for leadership roles. Over time, Jane realizes the importance of building relationships within her team. She starts participating more in discussions and seeks feedback to improve. Gradually, Jane becomes more involved, showcasing her competence and collaboration. This shift not only enhances her relationships, but also leads to more responsibilities. The takeaway is clear. While competence is the foundation, interpersonal skills propel you. Building strong networks and communicating effectively can significantly enhance your journey. Reflecting on how you present your skills ensures your competence is recognized and rewarded. Thank you for watching this exploration of professional success. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. See you in the next video. Your support helps us grow.